Hello, welcome to EduSpark Global. Today we are going to solve problems on logarithm. So we have a question which says if log x to base 10 equals 2.5, what is x? So in this question, we are expected to calculate the value of x. So we are having log x to base 10 equals 2.5. Okay, so in this question, to solve it, we have to rewrite it in the form of exponential. This question is asking us what power do we raise 10 to for us to get x. Okay, so indirectly you are having 10 raised to the power of 2.5. So if we raise 10 to the power of 2.5, we are going to have x equals 10 raised to the power of 2.5. Okay, now if we have 10 to the power of 2.5, remember that 2.5 is same thing as 2 plus 0.5. So we can rewrite it as x equals 10, okay, 10 to the power of 2 plus 0.5. Okay, but because of this positive sign here, okay, because of this plus, we can write it as x equals 10 to the power of 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 0.5. Okay, so we have x equals 10 to the power of 2 will give us 100 multiplied by 10 to the power of 0.5 will give us 3.1623. okay, then we multiply, then we have x equals 316.23. So that means that x is approximately 316. So option C is the correct option. Okay, so in this question we are having if log x to base 10 equals 3.2, what is x? So in this question we are expected to calculate the value of x. So our solution, so log x to base 10 equals 3.2. so this we raise to the power of this, so we have x equals 10 to the power of 3.2. So we record that 3.2 is the same thing as 3 plus 0.2. It means that we can write x as 10 to the power of 3 plus 0.2. So x, because of this addition sign, s equals 10 to the power of 3 multiplied by 10 to the power of 0.2. So x equals 10 to the power of 3 will give us 1000 multiplied by 10 to the power of 0.2 will give us 1.585. So if we carry out our multiplication, we're going to have our x equals 1.585. So our answer is 1585. So option B is the correct answer. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.